Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by the advocate of mob justice.
Football, addressing the state of mob justice football at its best. Firstly, let me just start off by distancing ourselves from the rumors that Pizzo is coming to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Those rumors are untrue and are misleading. Secondly, let me welcome the new ticketing system for Kaizer Chiefs Football Club and Orlando Pirates Open Tickets. A great adjustment to me, but I see a crisis going to buy tickets on ShopRite and Checkers. I think Ticket Pro was much better.
Yeah.
There's something that they could have done much better, because if you look Ticket Pro, they have your garages, they have your spa and all those stuff. I think that system, the previous one, was much more better. It just, in terms of fake tickets, it tends to lead.
Yes.
Let's start off with the game. Starting at the game, let's give credit where it's due. The security today was uptight. Even on the halftime, you can still see people coming in and out, and the SCPS was there at the gate, making sure that there is order. It just, unfortunately, they will try some security part, but some of the security part will be beyond their control.
Yes.
For example, pickpocketing. A number of supporters, they have lost their cell phone today. It was so difficulties. And in terms of the motor vehicles, I think there was no really a way of saying that let's these supporters have an enhancement, a better experience of the game.
Yeah.
Because how can you have a multi-purpose like this without a single paying for a supporter? That's really a red flag. If you go to Peter Mokaba Stadium, same issue. You pay outside very far, where you only depend on the street people to make sure that they guard your vehicle. That worth done more than the experience that you're going to get in a football match. So I think PSL still have a long way in terms of that supporters experience enhancement. Another one, there's a lot that we still need to adjust. There's no big screen in most of the facilities. You tend to get big screen when you go to FNB and Orlando, maybe, and Moses Madiba, in all the entire facilities. Sako Loftus, that's where you see old supporters only. Doesn't show what is happening in the game.
Yeah.
Here, some more, it's blank, Asiberek. But let's congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns. I think we need to be honest with ourselves. This team is playing very well, and they've gelled so exceptional well with its team. So far, I think they're the best team in South Africa. They are playing exceptional well, and week in and week out, they tend to master the period of playing within 42 hours, because they keep on winning each and every time and make sure that they collect maximum points, so that when they go for quarterfinal of CAF Champions League, they have less burden and less of thinking that they need to be able to see. There is a story that Mickey Jr. has told us about Saleh. I'm saying, Mickey Jr., there is a story that is under carpet. Go and investigate what is happening with Ronwen Williams, because last time I remember, Ronwen Williams is not injured. He missed his father there in Morocco. But they can't be able... I am telling you, how can you play a third goalkeeper whereas you have number one goalkeeper and Mzansi number one goalkeeper at the bench? Ujari Eyes know, because he said, now I want to go to my father. But they won't tell us about that, because they don't want to demoralize their team. But they will come, they have the guts to come and tell us about what is happening with Saleh.
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
But let's look at Mamelodi Sundowns. The back four, today it's a new combination. It's Khoza and Silva
Yes.
there at the back. Suarez. Each and every time, even if you change new combination, like each and everything, Corey, it's any spices that you add that will give you delicious meal at Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
But you look, Kuliso is back today, back from injury. No wonder that he didn't finish the game, but he did play exceptional well. What can you say about Tiwani? They give him, Mangoba give him an opportunity. Now he's the reliable left back in the absentia of Obrimudiba.
Yeah.
On the midfielder, it's always three. Alende, Tibuko Mukwena, and Jaden Adams. They make it so simple and make sure that when they are in a point of attacking, it becomes so visible and so nice. Lucas Ribeiro, I think, is at the class of his world. I think he's having one of the best league or one of the best campaign in South Africa at Mamelodi Sundowns. He's making sure that Sundowns keep on ticking. You just give him an assignment and say, within 50 minutes, I want you to do 1, 2, and 3. Then I'll race you just like that.
Exactly.
You see Mamelodi Sundowns coming with Ushaulile and Reines, of which today when you see Reines by the side, that's where you don't find much of him. But if you put Shaulile by the side, that's where you are going to see the best of Reines today. Let's congratulate them. They managed to collect maximum 3 points. Supporters were out in numbers as well, and make sure that into these sort of affairs, we expected that long-range goal today because it's a sold-out affair,
Yeah.
and you know how does it jam.
Yeah.
But did Kaizer Chiefs really play so bad? According to me, I don't think so. Back four, you see Miguel, Captain Fantastic. That guy, he has a quality leadership. He's commanding there at the back of Kaizer Chiefs, making sure that he keep the structure of Kaizer Chiefs so solid together with Udotli. You see that on position number 2 today and position number 3, they also come with those players that played exceptional well. However, at the midfielder, I be rest assured, the God of football has given him a second chance, and he has grabbed it with both 2 hands. However, Kibonokari speed sa Yusuf Mat, sometimes siya flexibility as an attacking midfielder. You at some point you think all of them they are defending, whereas you have an attacking midfielder that we hope and expected a lot. But Ulilepo first half, he was marvelous to watch. I think he created more than 3 opportunities on the first half. But on the second half, Umjita was no longer there. He was there by the line, unable to participate into the match. Yeah. That's why I thought if you could have put someone like Mfundo Vilekazi so that they can be able to uplift the game. However, Upule Modi today expected a lot, but there was not those runs. At all.
It's true.
You see, Riflosla on position number 2 today, I think he has an outstanding game. That's what I've just managed to observe from Kaizer Chiefs. So I think we need to be honest about Coach Nabi. He's what we were sold at. But now you can't be on position number 8 with this number of games that you have just played.
It's too much.
We need to be honest. I think now Kaizer Chiefs supporters has put their trust into someone that they were supposed to treat like your Calvin Johnson, like your Gavin Hunt, because Gavin Hunt arrived, there was a FIFA ban, but you chase that kind of coach. I think it goes with the skin. Because Unabi now don't see what he's doing at Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
And we need to be honest with him. Like Joe, Ariane, you don't have material. But how can you be in position number 8? Position number 8. And the supporters are there. They are not throwing anything. They are united. Now we are behind the pole. They always sing that one song. I think they have one song. Marawa. Kibo Kila Marawa. Why? Look out for it. I get it. No, supporters are back. They are making sure that they go everywhere. They give support to Coach Nabi. But Coach Nabi, you go and loan a player that is playing in overseas block. He came, but he's a bench warm. But I'm happy that Umjita Solomons was back today from long injury. Himself and George Matlo, I think injury has really limited them. Dove was playing on position number 2 as well, on the left back as well. Going and assist the center back, I think there's still a lot. He's a big friend with Papa Wawa, and he's a very great guy, Udove, I think as well. He also has a marvelous game, but the only challenge was the switching of the sides. When Ulilepo is on, Modi is off. So how do you attack? Now you have your Morris, but it's not attacking or offering you that offensive. It doesn't even go and make sure that they win the ball immediately. I expected a lot from Dupreez as well to go and make sure that he provide those Abo Koza and Abo Suarez, but they are not giving us that one.
Thank you very much.
Aswang.